Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u an kasngi. Umintu rangba ke jila Meghalaya u Conrad ki sangma. Ula Maham ikilat pathai khubor ban long ki ba husiar ban pelat khubor. Halor ke jingki ustad jengki kamrunar persha iki kenthei bar ki kena ha ke jila. Umintu rangba ke jila ula penpau ke jing perkhat halor ke jingmi pateng jong ke jing penpoi khubor lamler misinformation ha kilat pathai khubor bar ki social media. Umentri rangba ula kentui ki paibah bakin long ki bahusiar batkin omnget ne yakhi phalo halor ki khubor ki bakhlem pat pentikna khamtam ki tu ki bami hakilat kum ha WhatsApp Facebook bat YouTube namar ke jingpen poi khubor lamle hakilat kum ka WhatsApp lani YouTube bun sin ngi yo I ya ke jingnum paibah bar ke jingmi ke jing yasho ne ke jing yakhi ngaker pahad ipi baro baphim dei ban shim ya ka an halakikti tip shua ya ka jing shisha bat pentip iki pulit lani ki borshnong ong usangma ulakir pahad ru iki nong tho khubor kinong ialam paibah ba kinong pendon kam social media ba kin ne hok bat kin pentikna shua ya ki khubor sha ban pha ne pynmih paibah ka khubor ka bakhlem pentikna kala ban wanra jing kulmar bat jing sniu ha ka imlang salang Kilat pathai khubor bar kinong ialam social media kini ban pentikna ya ga jing shisha shwaban post ne pinna ula binram. Umentri rangba ula ongru ba ka sorkar kala trei shitom ban penne ya ga jing sum bar ka jing yatli da ka ba yat bet lingba ka jing shisha bar ka jing kit khli ha ka jing tho jing patai.
I would definitely urge the media as well as the individuals who have different channels or YouTube channels of their own who are not maybe proper or certified journalists. Even those, I would request that we need to be responsible. Just because we would like to get some kind of sensational news and we would like to see our channel get higher numbers, we risk putting information which is unconfirmed and point fingers at individuals, which then can come turn into a mob situation where crowds can swell up and law and order situation could break down. So therefore it is absolutely necessary that the media, the press and individuals who are involved in social media must act very responsibly when they post different kind of news, and don't post news where you have no confirmed information, because your news or your updates could lead to very complicated situations, could lead to law and order breakdown, and could even lead to a very, very serious situation at the grassroots level.
So about the
Said from society point of view, clearly we realize that we need to get involved in the awareness programs. There are many areas in which we are not involved as a community, especially when it comes to social issues and and problems like these. So I think at large, awareness, of course, with proper training, needs to be there, and awareness among the community as to what is right, what is not right. Simple things like, for example, when somebody touches you, what is a right touch and what is not a right touch. These kind of awareness for a child is important. Information about also that when you're having problems or you have some concerns, who do you approach? So in those situations, parents play important role, elders play important role, and professional counselors play an important role. So this infrastructure, this system, and the social kind of a network needs to be created, and we are hopeful that with the suggestions that we have got today, we'll be able to take things forward.